Hey guys, it's BK here. It's been a while, but I was bored today, so I figured why not record a video. Me and Shady were talking about it the other day. Some people want him to start recording videos again, and I think that would be really cool, because I mean, we had fun recording the videos and everything, and it gives us something to do instead of just riding around and really doing nothing. But I'm on my way to go get gas, and there's a lot of updates in this video. The first being I wrecked my old car, the Camry, and I got a new car now. So as you can tell, my new car is finally a straight shift. I was just searching for cars, not really thinking about getting a straight shift. I was just looking for any nice used car that I could get pretty cheap after I wrecked my old one. But I ended up with a Civic Si, a 2009 Civic Si. So, I mean, it's a little bit newer than what I had before, and it's a whole lot nicer. Plus, I was able to get straight shift and learn how to drive stick. So, it was pretty much an all-around good car that I found. But anyways, with the whole car wreck, pretty much what happened is I woke up for school one morning for college, and it was decently cold, but it wasn't like freezing or anything. But pretty much what happened is I did not let my windshield defrost, and I could barely see out of it, but I could see the street lights and the street signs decently well, so I didn't really think anything of it. Well, I went down the road that I take to college, and there was a truck stopped in the middle of the road about to turn, and the brake lights were pretty dim, if really even on at all, and I just couldn't see them, and that ended up completely totaling the Camry, and also got me a following too closely ticket, which is always fun. So now I have something on my license, and I have to worry about all the car insurance and stuff from all that. So it's pretty fun driving this car. I consider it definitely an upgrade, but I mean, now I'm not the nicest Civic around town, so that's a downside, but it's definitely an upgrade from what I had. So some other things that happened within the course of me not making videos is Tabby and I broke up. That's a big long story, don't really care at this point. And we also moved houses because we needed to move in with my grandfather because he has Alzheimer's, and we wanted to be closer to him and be able to take care of him and everything. And all of that happened within the course of about 3 months. I wrecked my car on Halloween of all days, and then Tabby and I broke up about a week later, and then we moved into the new house about a month later. So really in the course of about 2 months, all of this is happening. So that's one reason why I stopped recording videos, and another reason is I was kind of doing YouTube just to make a little bit of extra money. I expected to be able to work up my subscribers to the point where I started making a little bit of money off of it, kind of as a side job, because I enjoy recording videos and stuff. But with all the new YouTube guidelines, one of those being that you can't monetize your videos unless you get, I think it's 1,000 or 1,500 views on each one of your videos or something like that, or maybe overall views a month, something like that. So that's making it pretty hard to be able to make money off of it. So really, instead of doing a schedule now, I'm doing more of a when I want to record a video kind of schedule. So don't expect too many videos, but whenever I feel like I want to record a video, then I'll probably record one. So another thing about this car that kind of sucks, but it's not too awful bad, is that I have to use premium gas now. I don't really have to, but it's recommended by Honda. So, I mean, I don't mind with it being a decent performance car and everything. I don't want to put cheap gas in it and just cause extra wear on the engine and all that. I really don't have the money to fix stuff right now, honestly, but I'd rather be safe than sorry, really. But it's not too awful bad. It only takes about 30 bucks to fill it up from completely empty, so that's not too much worse than filling up with normal gas, but still definitely a thing to consider if you are upgrading to a sports car.